Your connection is not private. This is the issue you are facing right now, and that's why you are watching this video. In this video, I will teach you how you can fix this issue once and for all. It took me a lot of time and research to find the solution of this issue because nobody was understanding the problem. And if this video helps you to fix your problem, then I would like to take a subscribe from you as an FC appreciation. So follow my steps. You just need to follow my steps and this will be fixed in 1 minute. Step number 1 is go to the description, download the SSL file and extract it. Step number 2 is open the file. You will see 4 files. Start installing one by one as I am showing on the video. The first 3 will have the same procedure, and the password is 1. Okay, enter the password 1, just 1. Okay. Now on the fourth file, open the file, click on install certificate, click on next, and then choose the option place all certificate in the following store. After that, click the browse button and select the folder trusted root certification authorities. Then click OK. Press on next, click on yes, and that is the installation process is completed. Now follow the next step. Before that, subscribe to my channel, like this video because I want this video to share all over the world. Okay, now the next step is restart your browser, or you can restart your computer if that is easy for you and your problem is fixed, and you can now enjoy interrupted free internet. Take care, bye bye, see you in the next upcoming amazing video.